Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a travel logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo section next to the t-shirt button at the upper side on the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the travel logo option. New, just select a template and you can edit. If you want to change the text on your project, click to the text box, tap to the edit button, and new, go to the keyboard icon. Delete this text and write your own text, and if you finish, click to the done button. New, if you want to change the font style, click in the font section. You can find different font type and just select another. If you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and just select another color. If you want to add graphic elements or photos to your project, go to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find the different graphic elements, and in the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, just select a color, and new, you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, you can find a different object. For example, click to the stars, and new, you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.